Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. Open first the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the sound, vibration and mood modes. You could use them just by clicking to one from the available modes. Here we get the vibration while ringing. We could turn it on or turn it off. We could switch here ringtone and notification sounds. In system sound section we could turn off or turn on the system sound volume. To change system sound temp, we could activate or turn off the sounds of the screen touches, the dial pad sounds, screen lock and lock sounds, keyboard sounds and the charging sounds by click on each of the switcher. Let's go back. We get here the volume section. We could just decrease or increase or just turn off or turn off the volumes of the ringtone, media, notifications and systems. And also we get here use volume buttons for media switcher, with which we could change the volume of the media, and when the switcher is turned off we'll change the volume of the ringtone. Let's go back. We could switch here the call and notification vibration. In system vibration we also get the same settings like in system sounds, just we could activate or turn off the vibration for screen touches, dial pads, keyboard, charging, navigation gestures and camera feedbacks vibrations. And also we could switch here vibration intensity for calls, notification system and medias. We could activate and turn off the vibration sounds for incoming calls. And in sound quality and effects we could activate and turn off the Dolby items for gaming and switch the equalizer option from the normal to the pop, classic, jazz, rock and custom. And also we could use the adapt sounds section settings. So that's it. That's how to customize and find the sound settings on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.